Has the time come to show door to your sales team? As a business owner, if you're wondering if marketing and sales function will get so automated that you might have to fire your sales team, then you're wrong. The rise of digital channels has sparked a misconception that sales will become automated. However, the truth is quite opposite. Think of sales and digital marketing as two musicians in an orchestra. They complement each other, creating harmony and delivering a performance that is heard by your audience. Let's see how this collaboration can lead to a business success for you and your brand. Understanding customer behavior. Digital marketing provides invaluable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns. By leveraging data analytics, sales team can get a deeper understanding of their target audience, allowing them to tailor their sales approach and pitch more effectively. For example, if digital marketing data reveals that a certain segment of customers prefer personalized email campaigns, a sales team can use this information to craft catchy pitches that resonate with these customers. Lead generation and nurturing. Digital marketing channels such as social media, search engine, and emailers are powerful tools for lead generation. Sales team can collaborate with digital marketing teams to identify high quality leads. These leads, which are generated through these different channels, can be used to get more customers. Next, enhancing brand visibility and credibility. A strong digital presence enhances the brand visibility and credibility, which in turn supports the efforts of the sales team. Through strategic content creation, social media engagement, and online reputation management, digital marketing can position your brand as trusted authority in your industry. This not only attracts prospects but also makes it easier for sales team to initiate conversations and get more high-value deals. Multi-channel communication. Digital marketing enables multi-channel communication with prospects and customers. Sales team can leverage platforms such as emails, chatbot, and social media messaging to maintain ongoing communication with leads and provide timely support. This continuous engagement fosters relationships and builds trust, ultimately leading to higher conversion rate and better customer retention. Adapting to changing marketing trends. Digital channels are responsive to changing marketing trends. Sales team can leverage real-time data from marketing campaigns to stay informed about market shifts, customer preference, and consumer buying behavior. This allows sales team to adapt their tactics quickly, seize new opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. Very important is measurable ROI and performance tracking. One of the key advantages of digital marketing is the ability to track, measure ROI accurately. Sales teams can use digital analytical tools to access the performance of their marketing campaign. They can identify areas for improvement and optimize their sales strategies accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that resources are allocated effectively, resulting in a higher return on investment. Ultimately, the key to success lies in a collaborative approach between sales and the digital marketing team. By breaking down the Iron Curtain and fostering open communication, both these teams can align their goals, share insights, and work towards a common objective of driving revenue growth and business success. So let's give a green flag to this partnership of sales and digital channel and make the best out of this relationship. Stay tuned for the next video.